Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are going to be making a Mandarin cheesecake. Now, it sounded weird to me when I first heard it from someone at work. I believe that's where I first heard it. But here we are. I have many years ago, pre me on YouTube, made a lemon and lime cheesecake, which was actually amazing. Surprisingly, didn't curdle the cheese or the cream. So, yeah, that was a bonus. But yes, today we are making a Mandarin cheesecake. Now we are using tinned mandarins. I'm going to have to drain those. We are using oat-based biscuits rather than like a digestive for the base. Personal preference, you can use whatever you want. I am just going with the oat-based. Now, being well prepared, of course, I have just a bowl. I don't have anything to smash the biscuits up in, but that can be arranged. We have the brand new Baker's Gonna Bake. I am collecting novelty chopping boards, as you can see. But anyway, enough rambling. Into the video. We want 200 grams of our biscuits of choice. Now, it doesn't matter if it's a bit coarse, you just don't want like a quarter of a biscuit in there. Right, that should hopefully. See, a bit coarse. Could take that a bit further. It's fine. It's fine. Right, so we want 100 grams of butter. Now, I did work out on the side of the butter, it does actually say in grammage. So, yeah, but the weird thing is, like, you peel that off. On the Danish butter, it's on the inside, so you get the markings there. It's definitely a choice to put them on the outside, so you would like cut through. Ugh. That was a sound that exists. Sorry, people with yeah, they don't like that sound. I, for one, not a fan. Right, that is 105 grams of butter. That is fine because the wrapper's on that. We want to put that in there, I guess. Then we want to microwave that until that is melted. Right, now, as I say, these are oaty, so they could be a bit more absorbent. We want a good old mixy mix. Make sure there's no dry patches left in there. Put that on. Ooh, don't lose the spoon. Tear that. You want to aim for 75. It doesn't have to be massively compact, but just enough so it's held down, holds its shape. Lovely, lovely. Lovely. Right. Now I need to wash that bowl out. One bowl wash later, we have our mandarins draining. Now you want to have around about 400 grams of mandarins. I've got two 300 gram tins. So, yeah, we'll math that one out. Right, so now for the filling, you want to whip up your cream until we have thick cream, but not until we have butter. So, see you then. Alrighty, I would say that is pretty thick. Then to that, we want to add in our 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now you can add more if you want to. It's not going to be overly sweet. Let's see if I can get into this. There we are. So yes, we want 6 tablespoons. Right, so if you're keeping track at home, dividing this 4 ways, we have 500 grams in here at the moment, which we want 125 in each one. I'm getting quicker. Right, and then next you want to separate out your mandarins. Now you want to try and keep some whole segments for garnish, and then any broken segments you want to drain, dry slightly, and put in there. Now the problem is, I knew it was 125 grams I needed to add. Just added in mandarins. Don't know how much weight in mandarins I've added in. And I just went to scratch my face. I think I just smeared cream cheese down my face. It's going well. It's going well. Yeah, kind of breaking them up gently. Don't want to knock too much of the air out of the cream cheese though. Oh no! Oh no! Who'd have thought that was an option? Managed to freeze one of the pans to the bottom of the freezer. Right, so all of these are about the same. So that's 140, 140, 140, 138. So yeah, they're all the same kind of ballpark. Right, that's fine. Yes. Do that, do that, do that, do that. And if we just go for a good scoop in there. See if we can get to 250. That's 260, that's fine. That's 260. $240. 270. It's fine. It's fine. Doesn't matter. A little bit above, a little bit below. 270. Yeah, so we're definitely going to go around again. Everyone gets a little bit extra. 270. 260, so you get a little bit extra. 295 on that one. It looks a lot more than 20 grams. Let's aim for 295 then. $2.95. Alright. $2.93. $2.95. Right. That's $2.98 now. That's fine. Right, so this is a clean spoon. Yes, clean spoon. Dirty spoons in the sink. So we are just Pressing it down. I would bang this on the work surface, but I'm sure Arthas would lay a brick on the floor. I think this is cleaning off all right. I mean, I definitely prefer the ones where it's like the segments are a little bit more broken up. So I guess you get like more of a scattering of the mandarin flavour. Right, that is chef snack bowl cleaning duty. Right, how are we decorating these? I guess we just go for like a... And we just do like one in the middle. Artistically, I think it looks better without the one in the middle, personally. But, oh, we've got 4 left. No! Oh, where did they go? Right, anyway. I guess we just stick them in the fridge to set. And hope for the best. Just making sure I am actually still recording as well, otherwise I'd have been really upset. Alrighty, so you want to leave these to set for about 4 hours now. I didn't quite make it to the 4-hour mark because I'm off to bed in like half an hour, and it doesn't really seem like a breakfast food. But taking it out, can we pry the base off? This has been in the freezer for a little bit. Can we just get the base to release? We've got separation. Excellent. And there we have it. Now to get it all over my hand as well. But that is a nice little Mandarin cheesecake. As I say, I'm a good boy, so I'm not going to have half. I'll have a little. I'll have like quarter. But we've got to do the all-important taste test as well. I'm cutting this on glasses. Ugh. My poor knives. You got to do it for the memes, right? If the baker's going to bake, even though this is a no-bake cheesecake, so... Not a fan of that. But yeah, there we are. All-important cross-section. Yes, we have the mandarin dripping down. We have the biscuit base. We of course have the cheesecake. That bit can go to Charlotte. I will cut a nice quarter off this, and then I'll have the other quarter tomorrow. Oh, see, that was a lot nicer. There we are. Yeah. Ice cold mandarin. As I recommended by someone at work. Hopefully. If I remember memories correctly. Oh, that is a solid base. Yeah, not too sweet. Quite nice actually. I wouldn't say it's on the savoury side, because obviously it is a sweet cheesecake, but yeah, it's not overpoweringly sweet. If you do want to add in more sugar, taste it before putting it on top of the biscuits. But yeah, mandarin goes well with it. I'm gonna say, was kind of expecting it to like curdle or something, because you know, if you're making cheese or whatever, you add in like a citric acid. I suppose these are tinned as well. They're not that acidic, but very good. Now we'll try and get through the base, but that's not going to happen. If I wasn't on my diet, I would quite happily demolish a whole one of these. But as I am on my diet, a quarter will do. And it passes the safe to take into work test. I will crunch that base off camera. But anyway, as always, if you like what you saw, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you're indeed new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content. If you do have any cheesecake recommendations, suggestions, drop them in the comments below. I haven't actually done a baked cheesecake before, so that is possibly something to do in the future. Or like one of those like really jiggly like Japanese cheesecakes. That could be quite interesting. But anyway, I will hopefully see you all again next week if the internet allows me to upload a video. And I will see you then. Thanks for watching.